So here we are at our beautifully cleared ruin, what I call the Voortrekker ruin, but it's really a misnomer because obviously it goes back thousands and thousands of years, but clearly shows habitation and occupation by different tribes, different people at different times. Square structures, round rondavel structures, these walls here that you see right in front of you that indicate these little yards. There's a wall here and a wall there, making this enclosure in front of us one little homestead, one little yard, and then there's another one just to the right with a rondavel in it over here. That was another homestead, another yard, and further down there where Travis is walking, shooting, and another courtyard over further down there, and the external wall on the other side. So it looks like this homestead may have had, maybe 5 or 6 families, maybe more families living here, and they were actually had their own little private sections, private areas of this at the time. What a beautiful ancient ruin. This deserves full protection, maintenance, and it's this that we need: ongoing support, ongoing funding, so that now that we've cleaned it to this level, we can maintain and keep it clear at this level. Obviously, we still have to come back. You can see that there are still short, stubby, sticks sticking out from the very large weeds that were growing here. There are still some weeds left behind over here. And if we don't come and clear these within a few weeks, and if we leave this for 2 months, it'll be completely overgrown. So this is an ongoing maintenance program that needs to carry on forever, as long as we want to protect this ruin. So it's for this reason that I constantly remind people to go sign up and support. Donate, make a small donation if you appreciate this work and this preservation. Make a small donation every month. Join the Patreon, the Stone Circle Museum Patreon page. Become a patron of the Stone Circle Museum. That's what your donations go towards. Your patron or patronage goes towards preserving, clearing and preserving these ruins, and then also obviously maintaining the museum and the artifacts that we display there. Yeah, it's Michael Tellinger signing off from the Voortrekker Stone Circle Ruin, Mpumalanga, South Africa.